Can budgies find their way home? Every budgie owner's biggest fear is losing their pet. You want to keep them safe and away from danger. But how do you keep your flying friend from flapping away? And if they do get lost, can they find their way back home? It's easy to think that budgies unfamiliar with the outside world will not be able to navigate home. But is that really the case? Though every bird is different, it is possible for your beloved budgie to find their way home. But ultimately, it's up to you to help them. We've made a list to help you get your budgie home safely as quickly as possible. Do budgies know their way home? There's no place like home. Whenever a budgie is lost, they are going to be disoriented. It will be even worse for a parakeet that is not used to flying outdoors. The first thing they are going to do is seek out a place where they feel safe. What's the safest place for your feathered friend? Their home. Although domesticated parakeets typically lack navigational skills, their desire to seek out a safe space will likely lead them searching for home. Do budgies know their way home? The simple answer is no, at least not on their own. While they might not know how to find home on their own, they will be searching for a familiar place. That familiar place could be their cage, your home, or even you. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for viewing.
This is the life of Bo 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 Bo. This is the life of Bo 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 Bo.